If you want to install a new Windows 11 and you see this error, we couldn't create a new partition or locate an existing one, and you can't do anything, and you tried all of the way and you searched the whole internet and didn't find any suitable solution, and all of them will clone your hard drive, don't format all of your data partitions and don't lose your data before doing anything. Just try this method that I invented myself. You can easily install your Windows 11 very quickly and easily. So you don't need to format your hard drive and lose anything. Just follow this video step by step and follow me. Hello guys and welcome to my iDevice channel. In case you will see this error message and you wanna install Windows 11, and in case you have two hard drive on your system, this tutorial is for you. So just keep watching and follow me. First of all, close all of the windows and try to turn off your PC, and after that open up your case panel and I will tell you. After turning off your computer, open the side of your case and go to your hard drive side. Here you will see two hard drive which are connected actually with cable to your PC. At this step you have to keep the hard drive on which you want to install Windows 11 and remove the other hard drive with its cable and disconnect it. I mean unplug the cable. Let me show you how to do this. The white cable is power and you just need to disconnect this cable. So just like me, grab the socket with your hands and pull it out. Yes, we are done here. And again, we will actually, if you want, you can disconnect your data cable. So we will go for next step. Now turn on your computer and go to your BIOS screen, BIOS page. Depending on whether you booted your Windows on a flash drive or on a DVD, select it to go to the Windows 11 installation page. Now here we will try to install Windows on our main hard drive. So this is the process, all you know that. Wait, accept, custom, and here guys, as you can see, there is no error here. So that's it, we did it without format your hard drive partition, which is so great. Now just I will format the drive. I need to remove all of the data, and the Windows drive. So just click on next and wait, and that's it guys. As you can see, we did it with each other, solve the problem, and we will actually install a new Windows 11 with each other. But guys, we are not finished here. There is so many important points I must tell you. So again, follow the video step by step. I will tell you the main point, and in next level we will actually fix our second hard drive and connect it to the PC to use it. So now I just escape this step to see the Windows main page. So be patient and wait and see. Well guys, after the Windows installation process is complete, we turn off the computer again to actually connect the second hard drive and come back again. In this step we open the panel next to the case again, and in the part where the hard drive is located, we reconnect the power cable and the data cable of the hard drive that was previously disconnected, unplug it. We will again connect the cables and plug them, and after that turn on the computer. In this step, make a backup of all your data on the second hard drive and copy and paste them in a safe place, such as an external hard drive or flash drive, and actually depending on the volume of your data. Because we will completely erase the second hard drive in the next step and give it a new partition. After you have fully backed of your data on your second hard drive and transferred it to another location, now we need to completely erase and partition the hard drive. To do that, just hold the Windows button plus R on your keyboard button and type disk mgmt.msc, and we are going to disk management to erase and partition our second hard drive. Now click on OK and you will see this page. Here you can see all of your connected hard drive or flash drive to your system, and as you can see, this is my first hard drive which we installed Windows on it, and this is the second hard drive which is about 2 terabyte, and actually we will delete partition and re-partition it again. As you can see, my hard drive again, we will actually check it with each other. It's completely erased without any data. So these are the partition, and just right click on the each partition and delete volume. Yes. Again for another partition. Actually this is delete volume, and here again. Actually guys, in fact these two partitions that we can delete them, they are reserved partitions for Windows, and we can only remove them on the Windows installation page, which we do not have access them here. So just remove and try to new simple volume, which we are going to actually repartition it again and use it. Just next. There is no specific point here guys, you can change your file system here. You don't need to actually change anything here. Just next, finish, and we have access to our second hard drive here, which is so good. And let me see my partition style, which you can see here, GPT, which is so great. Well guys, we are done here, and you just need to restart your system and use your new Windows. And also your second hard drive is usable and you can transfer your data to it again. If this video was useful for you, please write your comments, and if you know another way to solve this error or problem, please share it in the comments so other friends can use it and solve their problem. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.